Hi guys, I am Carlo Gechkom, a YouTuber and fashion designer based in Enugu State, Nigeria. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I styled my outfit for an all-white party. Stay tuned while I fetch my scissors, needle, B60 100 adhesive, thread, golden ribbon. Now we are all set to start. I started by applying the adhesive on the edges of the outfit. That's from the lapel going through the borders of the outfit. Then I used my finger to spread it out for faster drying. I did this so that the adhesive will firmly hold the ribbon on the outfit and prevent it from flying around by the time I start sewing it onto the outfit. My friends will be surprised when I step into the venue because they thought I'd complain owing to the fact that they have seen my outfits for the party and I'm an opening first. After making sure the ribbon is firmly stuck on the outfit, I started to hand sew. I needed to be very fast. As you guys know, the thought to style this outfit was not preconceived before the few hours to the event. Even while trying to beat time, I needed to be careful not to stain the outfit and also be meticulous with my stitchings so that everything will come out of equal size and very neat. I know you're super curious to see the outcome of this. All you need to do is relax, grab a box of popcorn alongside a chilled glass of Coke, and let me wow you. Are you looking for a channel to learn simple hacks to step up on your style? You love adventures. You want to learn more on traditional food recipes and other cooking tips. Here is your best bet. Please always remember to leave your thoughts about any video I post on this channel in the comment section. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please endeavor to do that and also share to your friends. I am almost done sewing. Please and please always remember to knot your stitches. Calm down, here we go. Were you expecting this gorgeousness? Oh my god, I go pepper these people for that today. Thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share to your friends and enemies. Leave your notification buttons on so you'd be the first to be notified whenever I post a video. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Bye.